Hello guys, here are some do's and don'ts while applying your lipstick. Most of us are not blessed with that lustrous, plump lips. And applying the lipstick directly to your dry lips is the biggest mistake you could ever make. You should always apply a lip balm before applying any lipstick. It will help to avoid cakey lips and the cracked look. You could see that how the lipstick is gliding like a butter. Secondly, always exfoliate your lips before applying any lipsticks. It will help to avoid chapped lips as well as it will help to remove any dead skin cells on your lips. It helps in smooth application as well as your lipstick will look seamless. Does your lipstick look washed out after applying a nude lipstick? I got the perfect solution. Apply a lip liner which is 2 or 3 shades darker than your nude lipstick. Smudge it thoroughly. And here is your perfect nude lips. Next step is to apply a concealer to your lips. Blend it well and apply your favorite lipstick. This will help to keep the lipstick color exactly the same without making any change. Next is how to make your lipstick transfer proof. Take some loose powder, take a piece of tissue. Now place the tissue over your lips and dab the loose powder over it. You could see that the lipstick is not being transferred anymore. Thanks for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.